what's up YouTube? So Gears and Rice here again, and we're just gonna do like I don't know if it's really an install video, but a little information on I bought this DZ rack for my Chevy Colorado. I know it's not a 86 or Evo, but that's the one I got. I just bought this one right here, but might get this one later. They're a little pricey, I guess, but they look really good. And so yeah, let's get to it. So this is pretty much the DZ rack for the Chevy Colorado. And it's a pretty simple installation. Literally just 2 bolts here, 1 bolt from the bottom that once you take this part off, it's just 1 bolt that holds this, and then this little pocket on this side, you're gonna have one here, and you just got to cut it out, and that's where that little bracket goes, and it bolts on here and on the side.
Okay.
And then they also tell you to put one right here. You're gonna have to drill your bed for this, and I do suggest you putting one maybe somewhere here. So make the drill a hole here, put a bolt here, because when I was strapping here, this side was like literally lifting. So other than that, it's been pretty good, and these are really useful. I was carrying lumber, and just set it to where you want it, and you know, tie it, and it makes it pretty easy to carry stuff. So on my Chevy Silverado, I had like a different setup where it was just like, it looked kind of tacky. This one looks like more rigid and like
you have a man's
truck. I
truck.
don't say badass, but you know,
Like
a little badass a little bit.
Looks like a man's truck.
Yeah. And yeah. And did I miss anything else or no? Did you show him the bolts or no?
Yeah, I showed him on the other side, but I'll go around, I guess. So same. 2 bolts. 2 bolts. 2 bolts.
And also most of
Oh, you should show them maybe how to.
to install this literally was pretty easy. You just gotta screw a couple bolts here and there. You need an Allen, and don't remember the size of that socket, and also a Phillips and a drill. But
How to install the little top things? Remember how you guys were having a difficult time?
oh yeah. Well, because it was our first time using this. So for this top thing, you could also put lights on this, which is pretty cool. It has the setup right here. I don't know if I'm gonna turn over here. Like a little square that fits in here, and you just slide it and you lock it like this by tightening it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they make lights that you can just slide in there. But yeah, it wasn't really that bad. I don't know if you want to do a whole walk around.
Yeah. Well, I already did. I got it.
The front view too?
Like how it looks? Like the whole thing? Yeah. That's from the side. It's funny because when you go to the front, if you look closely, it looks like his truck has ears.
Yeah, but at the end I might want to put this in the back and get that mesh one in the front. Yeah. And I want to say maybe you could put I might buy I think it's called tonneau cover or something like that.
Toe cover? No, not toe cover.
Just that covers the whole bed.
A bed cover, sorry.
And the only thing I want to say, you might have to cut this if you want it to fit, because I know they make like ones that are like that's already you know, built in the bracket and stuff like that, but kind of don't like those. I hear they bend and stuff, so I figure I might as well drill my own holes. But yeah, if I do it, I'll definitely upload it. Yeah. All right.
That's sweet.
So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't even exit out yet. I know it's a short video and stuff, but so we do have some upcoming videos for the Evo. David has some back order stuff on, and one thing we do have that we might install maybe 2 weeks from now is maybe the rear bumper.
Yeah, the rear JDM bumper.
Yeah, and
It's at the body
we
shop.
will probably show that, I want to say. And
Yeah.
for the 86, I got an oil cooler for it. Might do a review on it, and yeah, a review because I kind of got let down a little bit, but I'll explain it on the next video.
Yeah.
But yeah, so yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.